Is it time to buy or sell SOFI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SOFI. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of January, 2025, our system has identified SOFI as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.44. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of approximately 10%. This results in an average return of about 1.66% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the upper segment of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $18.11 would indicate an accelerated rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 36.94% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 12.5% and 38.41%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts an 88.65% change over the next year, with potential returns between 7.46% and 90.16%. This translates to a price range of $19.26 to $34.08 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOFI includes the headline, SOFI stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The SOFI stock price experienced a decline of 0.61% on the last trading day, Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, dropping from $18.03 to $17.92. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.14%, reaching a low of $17.86 and a high of $18.42. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 23.16% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume rose on the last day by 11 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices, presenting a potential early warning sign and suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 54 million shares were exchanged for approximately $971,410,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $18.42, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 2.71%, or 50 cents, below the 52-week high, and 36.59%, or $10.34, below the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. SOFI Technologies, with the ticker symbol SOFI, closed on Friday with a slight decline, but finished the week on a strong note, gaining over 9%. Analysts are paying close attention as the company prepares to announce its fourth quarter earnings on January 27th. Expectations are set for earnings per share of 4 cents and revenues amounting to $674 million, indicating a year-over-year revenue increase of 14.8%. Over the past year, SOFI's stock has soared nearly 130%, outpacing major indices like the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100, fueled by positive revenue guidance and strong growth metrics. Projections suggest a notable year-over-year earnings increase, with earnings per share expected to rise by 94.5%. And revenues potentially reaching between $2.53 billion and $2.55 billion for the fiscal year. Despite this optimistic outlook, some analysts express caution about the potential for overheating as investors eagerly anticipate the quarterly results. Furthermore, SOFI stock is currently trading about 20% below its all-time peak following its SPAC merger in June 2021, highlighting a challenging yet optimistic landscape for both current and future investors. In the short term, the upcoming earnings report could act as a major catalyst for price movement, either reinforcing the recent bullish trend or prompting corrections if expectations are not met. Long-term, if SoFi continues to perform well and expands its market share while effectively managing expenses, it could sustain its growth trajectory, solidifying its position as a promising player in the fintech sector. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SoFi a buy rating alongside a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank designated SoFi with a hold rating, also recommending a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, it was noted that Morgan Stanley rated SoFi as underweight and suggested a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies rated SoFi as a buy with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, Bank of America Securities reported a underperform rating for SoFi, along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoFi stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also issue a sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The SoFi stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support may be found at $17.11 and $15.81. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 0.61%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 4 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a buy from 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 97 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages demonstrates a buy signal from 102 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.29 and $14.13. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, SoFi finds support just below today's level at $15.29. If this level is broken, the next support, based on accumulated volume, will be at $14.13 and $14.11. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 560 cents between its high and low, or 3.14%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 4.72%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 27th of January, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at 4 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In case of an upward trend, The first resistance level for SOFI is at $18.03. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $15.29. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2024, Freiberg Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 7,571 shares of common stock. On the same day, Freiberg Stephen J. also executed an insider sale of 7,571 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of December, 2024, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 8,914 shares of common stock. On the 19th of December, 2024, Rishel Jeremy conducted an insider sale of 64,991 shares of common stock. On the 16th of December, 2024, White Derek J. conducted an insider purchase of 148,403 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 54.793. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 10,332,632 shares and sold 35,074,968 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.44, reflecting a decrease of 2.69%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for SOFI stock to perform well in the near future. As a result, we have updated our analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 27th of January, we anticipate SOFI will open at approximately 15 cents higher and begin trading at $18.07. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.